Here we go, baby.
Time to set up camp.
Yes, sir. Alright, well, first attempt failed, it's upside down. Alrighty, here we go. Got it all set up. Now we're gonna get our sleeping gear set up and then go get something to eat. Alright, here we go. Here's our stove and gas for tomorrow. This is what we're gonna cook breakfast on. Alright, you guys gotta come with me. We got a little bit of a hike. It's not too bad. Made it back. Well, as long as you keep it in front of you, it's fine.
I said to go.
Time for bed. Time for bed.
Time for bed.
It's supposed to get down to like 28, 25 degrees tonight Fahrenheit. It's going to be frigid, but I think we're ready to go. We got a little night light on. Lots of water. Snack bag full of apples and cookies. And should be a good night. Fire was nice. And we'll be back tomorrow with a bunch of canoeing and adventuring. Let's go. This is where we're camping. Pretty beautiful spot. Absolutely.
So it's beautiful. And
I need to go grab my mittens because my hands are about to fall off.
yeah.
There you go.
Because there's the outlet. It goes right there, and it just goes all the way through.
I'm not so sure.
It's not solid.
Snack time. Thank you. That was good. Okay. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please consider liking and subscribing. Helps a lot. And I'll leave a couple other videos up at the top there when the video ends that you should go watch, because I think you'll enjoy those as well. Thanks. Bye.